imagine cycling through the city streets with your home right behind you. Not a tiny backpack, not a sleeping bag, but an actual mini camper. This isn't a dream or a futuristic concept. It's a real creation by Kevin Cyr, a tricycle transformed into a functional micro-home on wheels, bringing an entirely new meaning to portable living. This unique invention merges the worlds of art, sustainability, and alternative living, pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. At first glance, it might seem like an eccentric design, something straight out of a sci-fi movie or a post-apocalyptic novel. But when you take a closer look, you realize the sheer brilliance behind it. Kevin Cyr, an artist with a fascination for vehicles, has always been interested in exploring mobility and shelter in unconventional ways. His works often depict vans, trailers, and other transportable living spaces, celebrating the rugged charm of old live-in vehicles. But the camper tricycle is something truly special. It's more than just an art piece. It's a statement about self-sufficiency, freedom, and the endless possibilities of human ingenuity. Let's break it down. The camper tricycle consists of a sturdy three-wheeled bicycle at the front, supporting a compact, custom-built camper in the back. The structure is lightweight but durable, designed to provide basic shelter on the move. The exterior is reminiscent of classic camper vans, with a white and red color scheme that gives it a vintage, almost nostalgic feel. It looks like something you'd see in a tiny home community, except this one is completely pedal-mowered. Inside, it's all about maximizing space. Step into the camper, and you'll find a cozy sleeping area just big enough to stretch out. There are small storage compartments built into the design, allowing room for essentials like food, clothes, and other travel necessities. The compact design ensures that everything has its place, making the most of every inch available. It's not about luxury, it's about efficiency, creativity, and making do with what you have. Now, you might be wondering, how practical is this? Well, that depends on your perspective. If you're someone who dreams of escaping the traditional constraints of housing and embracing a minimalist, nomadic lifestyle, this camper tricycle might be the ultimate symbol of freedom. You can take it wherever a bicycle can go, setting up camp in parks, hidden corners of the city, or scenic landscapes. No gas, no rent, no mortgage. Just you, your bike, and the open road. Of course, there are challenges. Pedaling something this large and heavy requires effort, especially when dealing with hills or rough terrain. Unlike a traditional RV, there's no built-in kitchen, bathroom, or heating system. It's as basic as it gets. But that's part of its charm. It forces you to rethink what's truly necessary in life, stripping things down to the essentials. Beyond its functionality, the camper tricycle also makes a strong statement about sustainability. In a world where environmental concerns are growing, finding alternative ways to travel and live with a smaller footprint is more important than ever. This tricycle home hybrid doesn't require fuel, doesn't produce emissions, and takes up far less space than even the tiniest apartments. It's a response to the ever-rising costs of urban living and a vision of a future where mobility and sustainability go hand in hand. Kevin Cyr's creation has fascinated artists, designers, and alternative living enthusiasts alike. It's been featured in galleries, exhibitions, and countless discussions about the future of living spaces. It challenges our ideas of what a home should be, proving that innovation doesn't always come in the form of high-tech solutions. Sometimes it's as simple as taking a familiar concept, like a camper, and reimagining it in a way that aligns with new realities. But let's talk about the experience. Imagine riding one of these through the city streets. Heads turn, people stop and stare, and curiosity fills the air. It's a conversation starter, a moving piece of art that makes people rethink mobility. Some might laugh, some might be in awe, and others might seriously consider what it would be like to live this way. It sparks the imagination, inviting us to question whether we need all the things we accumulate in traditional homes. And that's what makes this camper tricycle more than just an odd invention. It's an exploration of freedom, a challenge to the norms of consumerism, and an inspiration to those who dare to live differently. Whether or not you'd actually want to live in one, you can't deny the creativity and thought behind it. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself traveling in a camper tricycle, embracing a life of simplicity and adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique inventions and creative lifestyle ideas. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and who knows, maybe your next home will have 3 wheels instead of 4.